In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download payroll reports in QuickBooks Time. We'll walk through the exact clicks to get the payroll data you need, plus a few quick tips to make sure everything lines up with your pay cycle. By the end, you'll have a clean report on your computer, ready to share, review, or import. Start by opening QuickBooks Time from within your QuickBooks account. From the main navigation, go to All Apps, then choose Time. On the Time page, click into any of the available areas: Time Entries, Approvals, or Schedule. Any of these will launch the QuickBooks Time experience. If you use roles or permissions, make sure you have access to view reports. Otherwise, you may not see the options we're about to use. Once QuickBooks Time is open, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This is your hub for pulling time data in a format that's easy to use for payroll. From here, you'll pick the type of payroll report you want. You can open either payroll hours or timesheets, depending on whether you need a summarized view or detailed line items. Payroll hours is great for totals per team member over the pay period, while timesheets shows individual entries if you need to audit who worked when and on what. Next, set the pay period. Use the date picker to select the exact range that matches your payroll cycle: weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or custom dates. Double-check the start and end dates so hours fall into the correct period. Getting this right up front prevents reruns later. With your report type and date range set, go to the top right and click the Download button. A prompt will appear asking you to choose a format. Pick the one that fits your workflow. Payroll totals for a concise summary of hours, payroll by day, CSV. If you want hours broken down by each day, or individual timesheets, CSV, for a full row-by-row export of every time entry. CSV files open easily in spreadsheets and most payroll systems, so they're ideal if you need to sort, filter, or import. After you choose the format, the file downloads automatically to your computer. Check your browser's Downloads panel or your default Downloads folder. If it doesn't appear, make sure your browser isn't blocking downloads, and try again with the same steps. That's it. Open the file to review totals, verify the date range and team members, and you're ready for payroll. If you follow these steps each pay period, you'll have consistent, accurate reports every time.